As a homeowner in Redmond, Washington, ensuring your home is energy efficient, secure, and visually appealing is a top priority. One of the best upgrades you can make to achieve all of these goals is by switching to vinyl windows. Vinyl windows have gained tremendous popularity among Redmond homeowners due to their durability, energy efficiency, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. If you're considering an upgrade, here's why vinyl windows are the preferred choice for many homeowners in Redmond. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. In Redmond, the weather can vary dramatically. Winters are cold and wet, while summers can bring occasional heat waves. With such fluctuations in temperature, homeowners need windows that help maintain a comfortable indoor climate and keep energy costs in check. Vinyl windows are well known for their energy efficiency. Unlike traditional single-pane windows, modern vinyl windows are typically double-glazed, which means they have two layers of glass separated by an insulating airspace. This design significantly reduces heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. The insulating properties of vinyl windows also help prevent drafts and reduce the workload on your heating and cooling systems, leading to lower energy bills year-round. Additionally, many vinyl windows come with low E-glass coatings, which help reflect heat while still allowing sunlight to enter. This feature is especially useful in Redmond, where homeowners can enjoy natural sunlight without letting in excessive heat. By switching to vinyl windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home and save money on energy costs over time. Low maintenance and durability. One of the biggest reasons Redmond homeowners are switching to vinyl windows is the minimal maintenance they require. Unlike wood windows, which need to be regularly painted and sealed to prevent moisture damage, vinyl windows are incredibly durable and virtually maintenance-free. Vinyl frames do not peel, chip, or rot, making them resistant to the weather conditions in Redmond, including rain, snow, and fluctuating temperatures. In addition, vinyl windows don't require frequent cleaning like other materials. They are easy to wipe down and will maintain their appearance for years, even without constant upkeep. The color of vinyl windows is part of the material itself, so you won't need to worry about fading or repainting over time. This convenience is particularly appealing to homeowners who want beautiful windows without the hassle of constant maintenance. Affordability and long-term savings. While the initial cost of vinyl windows may be slightly higher than traditional wood or aluminum windows, the long-term savings make them a cost-effective option for homeowners in Redmond. Vinyl windows are more affordable to install than other high-end window materials, and their low maintenance costs help save money over time. Additionally, vinyl windows provide long-term energy savings. By improving insulation and reducing the need for constant heating or cooling, vinyl windows can lower your monthly utility bills. Over the lifespan of the windows, these savings add up, making vinyl windows a wise investment. In fact, many homeowners find that they recoup the cost of vinyl window replacement through the money saved on energy bills. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows are a significant part of your home's overall aesthetic. Vinyl windows are available in a variety of styles, sizes, and colors, making it easy to find a design that complements the architectural style of your Redmond home. Whether you're looking for a traditional double-hung window, a sleek casement window, or a more modern slider window, vinyl windows can meet your needs. Vinyl windows also have a clean, streamlined look that adds a modern touch to your home's exterior. They can enhance your home's curb appeal, making it look more polished and well-maintained. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or sell it in the future, vinyl windows are an attractive feature that can improve the overall value of your property. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Redmond's suburban setting means that many homes are located near busy streets or highways. If you're dealing with noise pollution from traffic, nearby construction, or other outside sounds, vinyl windows can help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. The insulated design of vinyl windows helps block out unwanted noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. For homeowners who enjoy spending time at home or need a quiet space to work, this noise reduction can make a huge difference in comfort. Whether you're in a bedroom, living room, or home office, switching to vinyl windows can help you enjoy a more serene and relaxing atmosphere inside your home. Environmentally friendly option. For homeowners in Redmond who are conscious of their environmental impact, vinyl windows can be an eco-friendly choice. Vinyl is a highly durable and recyclable material, meaning it has a longer lifespan than other window materials and contributes less to landfill waste. Additionally, the energy efficiency of vinyl windows reduces your home's carbon footprint by decreasing the need for heating and cooling. By choosing vinyl windows, you're not only saving money and improving your home's comfort, but you're also making a sustainable choice that helps reduce environmental impact. Improved security. In addition to their energy efficiency and low maintenance, vinyl windows also offer enhanced security. Modern vinyl windows are equipped with multi-point locking systems and stronger glass, making them more resistant to break-ins. The sturdiness and secure locking mechanisms of vinyl windows provide peace of mind for homeowners, knowing that their home is protected. Conclusion. Vinyl windows have quickly become a popular choice for Redmond homeowners because they offer a combination of energy efficiency, low maintenance, affordability, and aesthetic appeal. With their ability to reduce energy bills, improve comfort, enhance curb appeal, and provide long-term savings, vinyl windows are a smart investment for any homeowner. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home's windows for better insulation or improve the overall look of your property, switching to vinyl windows can be a decision that provides lasting benefits for years to come.